to be showing you guys
how to make butter slime.
Before we get on to the video, remember to please hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and turn notifications to become part of our Unicorn Squad. Now let's get started. The ingredients that you will be needing is
White glue,
a mixing bowl and something to mix with,
Model Magic Clay to make the buttery substance,
a container. This is very important because your slime will get dry.
Your activator, which we're going to make it with water and some borax.
Last but not least, you're going to be needing
some color for your butter slime, which we pick acrylic paint,
and some scent. And these two things are optional. Remember. Let's get mixing.
First, we're gonna make our activator with some water and some borax. We're gonna put 2 pinches of borax. You don't want to put too much.
Now we're going to mix. And just all the salt. It's time to make our slime. So first we're going to put the glue. You're going to put as much as you want. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. And then you're going to put your food coloring and paint and scent and glitter. You're going to put all the things that you want. Yeah, first put that. Now we're going to put our color and your paint. We're going to mix it and see how it's the color. You want to know?
Yeah, a little bit.
I want to make it like a banana.
Banana color, because I love bananas.
Is this good?
Yeah. Now we're going to put our activator that we made a while ago.
So you're going to add little by little. Don't add too much. Okay, that's good. You're going to mix slowly. Don't mix too fast. Just mix slowly. So now I'm gonna make. I feel like those sound like really weird. It's just so weird. I really like the color. And look at my hands. It has some blue. I think it's almost done. You're gonna get the most slime as you can. Oops. So it might be
Now we're gonna put Model Magic Clay on the slime.
You're gonna open it and you're gonna put equal parts. So make sure it's equal parts. I'm gonna take this is the slime.
Okay.
Okay. But magic clay is way more stretchy than basil clay. And basil clay makes it like way too hard. I won't need more. Is this enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is enough.
That's a lot.
And now it's time for the best part, mixing. So we're gonna put that like that.
Oh, yes. Look at this. Look at this.
This is enough. You have to do this.
To make your curd.
We're not gonna use this container. We're gonna use another container because this is way too little. Like seriously.
Yeah. We thought we were gonna do a little. It turned out to be this much. Wow.
And it turned out to use all of that. You might need all the bag. So just in case, buy 2.
Yeah. Next time we're gonna buy 2.
Yeah. So there's no more Matu Magic Clay.
And we're gonna need to buy more. Cause still not like butter slime.
It is like butter slime.
Well, a little bit, but like we still need more.
Yeah, but this is okay for now.
Yeah. It's more like slime.
But it's still buttery.
Yeah.
So that's a really good thing.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just used everything. We didn't even know.
Yeah. Wow, what a surprise.
Look it. I'm gonna show you guys that it's not gonna fit in this container. We were just gonna like make all this slime. Like seriously. I'm just gonna take it off. Yeah. We were just gonna see. All this left and all that left. We were just gonna make this slime. But then it turned out to be cool. And my favorite slimes are butter slime and clear slime.
Mine too.
Because I really like the butter slime. And like the clear slime is like clear, you know. It's really stretchy. I don't know, but it's really stretchy. We didn't even put lotion. And it might need a little bit more Model Magic Clay. It's still really buttery. But you might need a little bit more Model Magic Clay.
No, I have something right here.
Yeah. So let's try to do a swirl. It's like a poop. Oh.
Nice. It's not a perfect poop, but you know.
It's just so satisfying. It's just so big. Yeah.
If you love butter slime.
See you guys in our next video. Bye! Mejor no quéselo con la slime, ¿no? Ay, no,
Pero
sí.
stay slimy.
Yorita!
¿Qué?
Tú quitas Unicorn Girls. Y no, ahora todavía no estamos...
Yo no dije
Daddy!